Sharon Lawson, and we start tonight with Fulton County commissioners looking to reduce the inmate population at its Rice Street Jail. After a heated discussion, a plan to use the county's diversion services for low-level offenders instead of sending them to jail was narrowly approved. The plan catching some commissioners, even the Fulton County Sheriff, off guard. Our Monique John is digging into the plan. She joins me live in studio right now. And Monique, you spoke to some community members who have seen some of the consequences coming from this overcrowding at the jail.
Correct. And supporters do say that this is a positive development, but that there's more work to be done. We spoke with Dr. Mark Spencer. He's the executive director of Stop Criminalization of Our Patients. The organization educates health workers and students on the harm the criminal legal system can pose to vulnerable people. He says diversion services are just as important to public health as they are to public safety. Dr. Mark Spencer says passing the jail population reduction initiative is a step in the right direction. One element of the plan includes strengthening protocols to send eligible arrestees to Fulton County's diversion center instead of jail.
When you arrest folks who are struggling with mental health, substance use, poverty in the city and in the county, you're not doing anything to promote safety, but you're doing a lot to further marginalize them, destabilize their lives as they're trying to find stability, and to further traumatize them.
Spencer sees the consequences of arresting vulnerable people grappling with permanent housing and mental health issues every day.
Folks are struggling, folks are unhoused, folks can't afford MARTA cards, we see folks who can't afford their medications, but there's always apparently a jail on offer.
Other parts of the plan include texting notifications of court dates, transferring inmates that should be held in other jurisdictions, lowering bonds, and using ankle monitors so more inmates can be released. The county also wants to implement a plan where officers can learn if past warrants can be lifted. The Georgia Justice Project says officers are aware some arrestees can go to the diversion center instead of jail. But the facility is underutilized, partly because some who are being arrested don't understand that diversion is an option.
A lot of folks, they know what jail is, but they don't know what diversion is. And I'm talking about the folks who are going to be arrested, not just the average public. So it's an unusual concept. It's an unknown concept.
Fulton County's diversion center has the capacity to serve 40 people, but the county says less than 10 have been served there consistently. Many hope this effort to strengthen diversion and reduce Rice Street's inmate population will reverse that.
If we're spending millions of taxpayers' dollars for not being able to utilize the services, it's just a waste of money. We need to get to the budget is low for the jail, and then services for diversion should be high. Officials say this is a long-standing effort, but one that is continuing to evolve. And Sharon, while this measure was passed today, 3 commissioners did oppose it. Marvin S. Arrington Jr., Mo Ivory, and Dana Barrett, arguing that the plan wasn't adequately fully formed or shared with the public. But commissioners in support of it are laying out these 5 steps, saying that this is just the first step.
Yeah, as a start. Hopefully they can get something that everyone is going to be, on board with.
Right.
All right, Monique, thank you.